Good morning, candidates. Continuing on one-liners, Micah, October 2020, number 2, part 2. Schemes and launches. Recently, the Kodi Village Industries Commission launched its first food fair training center. In which city? The answer is New Delhi. Recently, in which city Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda inaugurated e-symposium on handicrafts? The answer is Shillong. Who has launched the web portal of the Garib Kalyan Rojgar Abhiyan? Narendra Singh Tomar. Who has inaugurated Atma Nirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rojgar Abhiyan, the largest employment generating program in the country? Answer: Narendra Modi. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana has been extended till which month? Why it is given 44136? I don't follow what it is. I think this question is not correct. The Director General of Railway Protection Force, Arun Kumar, has been nominated as the Vice Chairman of the Security Platform of the Paris-based International Union of Railways. This question I am not happy with this. I think this is it correct? I don't know what is the answer. Till which month? 44136. What is that? 44136. Maybe wrong. Yeah. Recently, how much amount was approved by NABARD to Andaman Nicobar Islands? 44 lakhs. Recently, the Ministry of Shipping has approved 107 crores for modern firefighting facilities in Haldia dock complex of which port? Kolkata port. Recently, Minister for Power, New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh inaugurated India's first public electric vehicle charging plaza in which city? New Delhi. This is the answer. Yeah. Now, recently, which state government has launched a relief scheme? Nekara Samman Yojane. Nekara Samman Yojane for weavers. The answer is Karnataka. The answer is Karnataka. Yeah, I don't know what is wrong. It has been plugged. Yeah, and has it been plugged? Yeah, why it's not charging? Yeah, there was some problem in charging of it, so I had to do it. Doesn't matter. Recently, which state government has launched a relief scheme? Nekara Samman Yojane for weavers, Karnataka. Then comes, recently, which state government has launched Naveen Rojgar Chhatri Yojana, Uttar Pradesh, for all-round development of scheduled castes? Which state government has included transgender community under Madhu Babu Pension Yojana? Odisha. Recently, which state or Union Territory Cabinet has approved Mukhya Mantri Gar Gar Ration Yojana? Delhi. Gar Gar Ration Yojana. Which state has launched Balram scheme to provide credit to 7 lakh landless farmers, Odisha. National and state, Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, and which organization have signed an agreement for two projects worth $250 million, World Bank. Recently, the 36th edition of biannual ASEAN Summit 2020 was held in video conferencing in which country? Vietnam. The government of India, Government of India has declared the entire Nagaland as disturbed area for how many months? 6 months. Which IIT has developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning tool for detection of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images? IIT Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is in Gujarat. The Defence Acquisition Council has recently approved proposal to acquire how many new fighter aircraft from Russia? 33. Which Indian Institute of Technology has started a startup which has developed a portable hospital? IIT Madras. Which state union territory has launched a portal named Rozgar Bazaar recently? Delhi. The Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India has signed the tripartite MOU with which IIT and Vijnana Bharati under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Ministry, Human Resources Development, IIT Delhi. Who was named the United Nations chief to the new advisory group? Archana Sorenga. Power Finance Corporation PFC, a public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Power, has signed an agreement with which IIT for training, research and entrepreneurship development in smart grid technology. Answer is IIT Kanpur. Which Union Minister inaugurated CII National Digital Conference on ease of doing business for Atmanirbhar Bharat? Piyush Goyal. Which country has launched the underground ballistic missiles during Great Prophet 14 military exercise? Iran. Which district of Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational districts in overall Delta ranking by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February-June 2020 period? Bijapur. Bijapur is in which state? Karnataka. Coal India Limited has tied up with NLC India Limited to develop solar and thermal power assets. Who is the chairman and MD of Coal India? Pramod Agrawal. Indian Coast Guard and which country Coast Guard have signed MOU to boost maritime relations? Indonesia. Digital Heart platform has been launched by which country? Bangladesh. Recently, Prime Minister has inaugurated 750 megawatt Asia's largest solar power plant in which city? Rewa. Rajnath Singh has inaugurated how many bridges in the border areas close to line of control in Jammu and Kashmir? 6. Union Minister has launched piloting the paperless National Transit Pass system? Prakash Javadekar. Which institute has developed a Whaley band for ensuring social distancing? IIM Kozhikode. Macadamization program was launched by which state or union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. Macadamization. Macadamization. I don't know what is it. Which state has become the first state in India where 100% households have LPG connections? Himachal Pradesh. Senior bureaucrat Rajesh Bhushan has been appointed as Health Secretary as part of minor top level bureaucratic reshuffle. So this is page number 7. I will close with this and continue with the other pages in my next video.